Indonesia is where diversity produces interesting story in every step of our journey, providing the best experiences ever. Starting off in the morning with various activities and the best consumptions, it makes every step taste sweeter and more meaningful. The industrial center of coconut sugar in Indonesia has been developing since the 16th century, where high-quality natural resources with various achievements have contributed in sustaining farmers' welfare and empowering local society. Since then, the production of organic coconut sugar for export has increased by 80% in our multicultural plantations. With official protection and hygienic processing, we produce the best quality organic coconut sugar as a complementary organic food. The product has been distributed to nearly 50 countries around the world, making the healthy lifestyle a new trend in life. The consumption of organic coconut sugar has become a new trend among local and international communities. Now, the time has come for each one of us to taste the sweetness of this precious heritage in every journey. As everyone deserves better sweetness.